We're two retirees hooked on travel. Follow us on our journeys around the world. Ravda is just on the outskirts of Nederlandse. This is our first time here. We're gonna go see what it is, and then we're gonna have lunch. This person just parked right in the middle of the street. It's crazy. Probably went in to get a coffee. Jeez. The town center. Balkan holidays. They have a lot of all-inclusives. They fill up with charter flights, and they pick them up at the airport with buses. Oh, nice peaches. Yeah. Riba za doma, fish for the home. Looks brand new. You can buy an apartment right here, right on the Black Sea. Might make a really nice vacation rental. Villa La Villa apartment house. To my left is some brand new, looks like townhomes for sale. They're building up. Gosh, this is a nice beach. It's packed. This is Ravda Beach. We have never been here before. It's a nice beach. To the left, that over there that's Nederlandse, the new town part of Nederlandse. So it's just on the outskirts. Nederlandse are on the other side of that peninsula right there. Seems more kicked back and authentic here. Not a bunch of high-rise apartments, but smaller hotels, family-owned hotels, maybe vacation rentals that people are renting out of their homes. Another new construction here now, they have a law here that they don't allow them to do construction during the summertime. It's too loud and it would be really obnoxious, so it's kind of nice. They work during the wintertime. That's why you don't see anybody working on these new buildings right now. That's old, bar and grill chaika. They'll tear that down in no time. The way things are building around here and growing. Ooh, look at this. Looks like a restaurant right on the water. Kind of a hidden gem. Most people wouldn't even know to come down here. Now, this is more like it. Behind me is a really neat restaurant hanging out right over the water. Look at that. Looks really crowded. It looks like it's mostly, well, down there it's all free because people have their own umbrellas. Seems kind of weird riding our bikes through the restaurant. God. Most people wouldn't know this road is here. It's a dirt road running right on the beachfront. This is all a free zone down here. Everybody's brought their own umbrellas and their own towels. They do have a lifeguard though. They even have a volleyball net out. Check that out. That is what you call beach volleyball. In the water where you can stay cool. That looks fun. Wanna go join them, Zarko? New condo buildings. Couldn't beat that. That's directly on the water. Something for everybody. There's a beach for everybody, depending on your taste. What kind of service you want, what kind of price you want. I would imagine staying over here would be less expensive than in Sunny Beach or Nasaver or even Pomorie. Oh my gosh, the guys there, they're selling sliced watermelon. Looks really rocky. Not the best for swimming. We're coming up on a beach now that is a sandy beach, and it's packed. This is still Ravda, and this beach, there's not any rocks right here. You can see the free zone where everybody has their own umbrellas, and then in the front of us is white umbrellas. Those are all for rent. Older hotels right here. Nice little waterfront hotels. Riding our bikes to the restaurant. Well, it's the sidewalk. You see the lifeguard hut right there. This property is for sale from the property developer. OlympiaBeach.com. Seafood. These places, again, they just open up for a couple of months out of the year. You're not too sure what you're getting, like waffles. It's a pretty big beach. I didn't know it was here. Look at this outdoor gym. Now we're going to get a good view of the beach. They put out a lot of these breakwaters for the beaches. Keep in mind, this is the peak of the season. This is as busy as it gets. In Ravda, we're going to ride our bikes in town, and then we're going to have lunch. Probably wrap up this video, and then our next video we're going to start from Ravda on north to Nasaber and Sunny Beach. If you're enjoying our videos, make sure you subscribe, click the bell for notification for our next video, and if you like it, give us a like. It keeps us motivated. We generally like to eat off the front of the beach, like back on a nice restaurant, because The places that we see on the beach are only open for a couple months out of the year. They have extremely small kitchens. Most of it's fast food, and it's nice to be able to sit down and have a real meal, so that's what we choose to do. In front of us, there's more new hotels going in. 50 years ago, this was just an extremely small fishing village, and it's just taken off. It's become a tourist destination. Well, when you have beautiful beaches, people are going to find it and they're going to start building. Lots of gift shops and boutiques, vending machines with beer and wine and This is chicken?
Yeah. This with cabbage, this with rice.
Yeah, I get this. Looks something great.
With rice. They have the stuffed peppers. This is with potatoes, it's very nice. The meatballs with potatoes. Moussaka is good. And they have some others out there. Yeah, stuff that they have on the back, you know. We're gonna have the clay pot. And like they have a feta cheese in a clay pot also. They have the stuffed pepper. That's good too. They have pizza.
I ordered the chicken leg, and it came with a lot of potatoes. Also, I have a pepper salad coming, and Zarko has a plate pot. This is Zarko's shopska salad, which is tomato. It's tomatoes, cucumbers, and they shred the feta cheese on the top. Looks like some small red onions. Every restaurant in Bulgaria has this salad. It's called a shopska salad. You can make it at home. It's very easy to make, and it's delicious. I have the red pepper. What they do is they roast the red peppers. They peel off the skin, and then they put olive oil and all kinds of goodness in it. So Zarko ordered a clay pot. What's it called?
All the clay pots, they're called güveçe. Güveçe.
This one is made with lukanka, which is a Bulgarian sausage. Then there's melted cheese on the top.
Hot pepper.
There's a hot pepper, and what else is a goodness in there? It has ham and tomatoes. They bake it in a clay pot in the oven.
And feta cheese.
And the cheese that you see is feta cheese. So we just finished our lunch. We had 2 salads. We had the Bulgarian clay pot dish. I had chicken and the potatoes, a beer and water, and it came to about $17 US. And this is a tourist town, and it's the peak of the season, and we're paying tourist prices. The thing is too, these are huge beers. It's a half a liter of beer, and it's $1.50 at a restaurant for this beer. So it's like, good prices. You'll enjoy your vacation here.
You can get drunk cheap.
You can get drunk cheap.